this video and music player application here, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So once you do open it here, pretty much get a welcoming screen. Get up on the next option here, and it will just allow you to set up some permission. Do make sure you go through this process. As you can see here, it will pretty much go carry through the setup process. And once you have done that, it will pretty much start scanning device for music, audios, videos, pretty much everything that's video related, music related. It will look for it on your device. Down here, you can tap on the audio section, and as well, if the application doesn't find any audio, you can tap on go to media library, tap on this option, then internal storage or internal memory, and it will pretty much scan your device if you do have any music on it. So once you pretty much done the setup process, you're pretty much good to go. It will pretty much scan everything for you, and it will show up here in the respective section. As you can see here, it pretty much plays all video format. Doesn't matter which format the video is in, as long as the video is playable, it will pretty much be able to play with this application here. It's not just a video player, it has well a music player. Because I don't have any music on my phone, I won't be able to show you that it can play music. But as you can see here, it's in the audio section, and any music at all that you have on your device, to be able to find it, can either go in the artist section, album section, and track section, and pretty much can scroll across here. So you do have the browse feature here where you can manually browse the music for yourself or the video for yourself. As you can see here, the music section, I don't have any music. As you can see here, you can go ahead. Let's say I've just downloaded a video, music, maybe in the download section here, and the device hasn't scanned it. All you have to do is pretty much go back at the home screen or the video section here, and then tap on the three dots over here, tap on refresh option. So it will rescan your device to see if you have anything new that you have installed on your device, whether it be music or video, or if you have made a new recording or anything like that. So that's pretty much it for that, and the playlist section over here. So very good application. It doesn't have any ads at all. Very simple, very easy to use, and you have some other features here at the top which can enable. As you can see here, once you do tap on this option, you have some other features which can enable. So you can just pretty much read these features here. You don't have to change anything. You can just let it stay as it is, and it works very good. So very good application. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if it can help you. See you in the next one.